Well, hey, everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And today I want to talk about VITL Farms. Now, this is one of those evil farmers that produce and sell organic eggs, butter, and ghee in Texas and Missouri. So everybody knows that these people are jacking up their prices and trying to get rich on inflation and all that stuff. By the way, I'm totally BSing you right now. Inflation's inflation. Nobody's doing anything wrong. Sorry. But they make great eggs, I'll tell you that. So the bottom line, though, is it's been a real kind of a choppy, sloppy pattern for a while. But over the last month or so, I like the way this thing has been trading, and it's been squeezing. I've got these little lines here drawn. It's been squeezing. I'm trying to get this thing up. Today's volume on a pretty heavy day in the market was a little bit higher than average. Stock ran up almost 2%. And this is a stock that I would want to be looking at on Monday. I'm going to go ahead and take these Bollinger Bands off. I was on IBD Live today showing the guys something about using 3 standard deviations to really find some power, but it's not relevant here. So, but 2 standard deviations, these Bollinger Bands, they're pretty fairly narrow, and this is what we want to see. So this is what I'm going to do here. This is for me. I am going to put this line right here, and I'm going to set an alert. So the only time I am going to be seeing this stock again is when the stock, or if the stock hits this line and triggers an alert for me. So I can sit here, I can have this stock just squeezing away. And if it falls, I don't care about it. I'm not going to short a stock like this. I don't own it. So if a stock falls, all it's telling me is, well, I'm not your Huckleberry. I'm not a candidate for you to be buying. So I don't want to look at it. But this is like having a trading assistant that's going to alert me when the stock starts getting pretty interesting. Okay. So anyway, bottom line, though, is we've got very few stocks that are actually working. And that kind of almost makes, well, it doesn't almost, that actually makes trading easier. It's harder to make a lot of money, but it makes trading easier because you have fewer choices. And if you're looking at enough charts for long enough, you're going to find something stupid to do. So instead, what you want to do is have a short list of stocks. And my guys have mine. I've shown them to them. You want to have a short list of stocks that are working. And then you're just trading those. You're holding them. You're looking for your entries, stuff like that. But you're not out there trying to make something happen. Just like, oh, I want to make something happen. Oh, I'll buy this because this time is different. Don't do that, guys. Okay, just don't. All right. That's all I got for you. I'm not going to belabor the point. Trade well or not at all.